Hi everyone, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. Today our topic is how to prepare petty cash book and uses of petty cash book. Now this is problem on petty cash book. It is coming to prepare petty cash book from the following transaction. The impressed amount is 2000 rupees 2020 January. Amount is given on rupees. Now coming to January date 1. It is paid cartage 50 rupees and second date STD charges 40 rupees and second date bus fare 20 rupees. Now coming to third date postage 30 rupees. Refreshment of employees, it is fourth date 80 rupees and sixth date courier charges 30 rupees. Eighth date refreshment of customers 30 rupees. 10th date cartage 35 rupees. Year 15 date tax fare to manager 70 rupees. Then coming to 18 days, that is stationery 65 rupees. Then coming to 20 date bus fare 10 rupees. Then coming to 22 date fax charges 30 rupees. Then coming to 25 days telegram charges 35 rupees. Next coming to 27 postage stamps 200 rupees. Now coming to 29 repair on furniture 105 rupees. And coming to 30 date, it is laundry expenses 115 rupees. Then last one is 31 date miscellaneous expenses 100 rupees. Now this is an example for preparation of petty cash book. Before we going to preparation of petty cash book, we need some information about what is petty cash book and needs of petty cash book. This is petty cash book is an book. It is related all small expenditures we noted in this book. Like the above all transactions are in small payments. These all payments are not recorded in books. Why? Because it is take some of pages and heavy work. That's why reason we are prepare all small transactions in single book, that is petty cash book. This book is maintained for monthly once. Then after transaction is completed, this book is submitted to main accountant. Now we are going to proforma of petty cash book. Here petty cash book, this is the proforma of petty cash book. Petty cash book is an book, not an account, but this amount is transferred every month is to an account. It is cash book. Now coming to received amount, it have only months once some amount is given manager to the who is maintained petty cash book, the lump sum of amount, that is given amount. Now coming to date column is related to transaction date. Then coming to particulars column, in this particular column we write all details about petty cash related transactions. Now coming to amount is related to every transaction is take separate amount. Now we are coming to analysis of payments. Here all we take details of the payments, for example postage, telegram, etc. Now we can go to last transaction, last column, that is remarks. There is no remarks, they can clearly define any issues in problems, they can write here. Now coming to every petty cash book is prepared based on the perfect voucher with the proof. Without proof they cannot accept petty cash book. That's why reason who is the maintain petty cash book, they can show the receipts of the petty cash book at the time of submit to accountant. Now we are going to problem. Now coming to problem on petty cash book. Prepare petty cash book from the following transaction. The impressed amount is 2000 rupees and 2020 January amount is given in rupees. Here impressed means simple or small amount. Now we are coming to identify transaction is similar transaction for the purpose of easy to prepare cash book. It is petty cash book. Now we are coming to paid cartage. Paid cartage, it is an amount, it is related to conveyance amount or transport amount. This all type of transport amount is taken as single column, like all is divided. Now coming to STD charges. STD charges is related to telephone or telegram. So all telegram charges are taken as single column. Now we are coming to bus fare. It is related to conveyancy. We recorded in conveyancy column. Now we are coming to postage. Postage is related to postage column. We take on all related items of postage. We record in postage column. Now we are coming to refreshment for employees. It is related to miscellaneous expenses. That's why reason we are taking in all miscellaneous expenses are in single column for the purpose of easy to prepare petty cash book. Now we are coming to courier charges. Here it is also related to postage. We can record this transaction in postage column. Now we are coming to refreshment of consumer or customer. It is related to miscellaneous expenses. It is also recorded in miscellaneous expenses column. Now we are coming to cortage. Cortage is related to conveyancy. We already explained. Taxpayer to manager. It is also related to conveyance expenses. Now we are coming to stationery. Stationery is related to and single column. It is main column. We take as stationery. Now coming to bus fare. It is related to conveyancy. We are recorded in conveyancy column. Fax charges. It is related to telegram or telephone. Here telegrams also related to postage. Telegram charges. Now we are coming to postage stamps. It is also related in postage. Now we are coming to repair on furniture. It is related to miscellaneous expenses. We are recorded in miscellaneous column. Now we are coming to laundry expenses. This is also miscellaneous. Last one is also miscellaneous. Now we can go to the prepare first transaction. These all our expenses are recorded in based on the related transactions. For example, postage is recorded in postage column. So we are going to perform a petty cash book and divide columns as payments analysis. Now coming to petty cash book. After analysis of payments, this figure, check once. The received amount in rupees. Now date is started with 2020 Jan. Now coming to amount paid column, amount is paid in rupees. Now coming to analysis payments, it is can be divided into 5 columns. Then one is postage, telegram, conveyance, stationery and miscellaneous expense. We are already divided. This transaction is these parts. It is easy to learn and easy to solve. We can go to the first transaction. Let's start the problem with the cash amount received 2000 on 2020 January. That is coming to received amount column. It is rupees 2000 rupees. Then going to date column. It is January 1st. And particulars to cash are written as balance brought down. Now we are going to another transaction. Jan 1st paid charges 50 rupees. It is related to conveyancy. We are going to conveyancy column. Now coming to petty cash book. It is particular January 1 by cortage amount in paid 50 rupees. Now coming to conveyancy 50 rupees. This transaction is completed. We go to the another transaction. Jan 2nd STD charges 40 rupees. It is related to telegram. We are going to the telegram column. Coming to Jan 2 by STD charges and paid amount 40 rupees. Then going to the telegram. It is 40 rupees. This transaction is completed. We are going to another transaction. Then same date bus fare 20 rupees. It is related to conveyance. We are going to conveyancy column. We are coming to Jan 2 by bus fare 20 rupees as amount paid. Now coming to conveyancy column, it is 20 rupees. This transaction is completed. We are going to another transaction. 3rd January postage 30 rupees. It is related to postage column. We are going to postage. Now coming to Jan 3rd by postage 30 rupees. Then going to postage column, it is 30 rupees. This transaction is completed. We are going to another transaction. Coming to 4th date refreshment for employees, it is 80 rupees. It is related to miscellaneous expenses. We are going to miscellaneous expenses column. Here petty cash book, it is Jan 4 by refreshment 80 rupees. Then we are going to miscellaneous expenses column 80 rupees. This transaction is completed. We are going to another. To 6th date courier charges, it is related to postage. We are going to postage 30 rupees. Now coming to 6th date, by courier 30 rupees. It is related to postage expenses. We are written in postage column 30 rupees. This transaction is completed. Remaining all transactions we are posted in once. Now we are coming to 8th date, refreshment of customer 30 rupees. 10th date, cortage 35 rupees. Taxation fare to manager 70 rupees. Then coming to up to 31st, it is miscellaneous expenses 100 rupees. We can enter all entries in once. Now coming to transaction date 8, refreshment of consumers, it is 30 rupees. It is related to miscellaneous expenses. That's why reason we are coming to miscellaneous column and written has 30 rupees. Then going to another transaction, that is Jan 10, cortage expenses 30 rupees. It is related to conveyance. That's why reason we are coming to conveyance column. It is 35 rupees. Then whereas coming to 15th date, it is taxpayer to the manager, it is 70 rupees. It is related to conveyance expenses 70 rupees. Then we are going to Jan 18 date, it is stationery, it is related to stationery column, it is 65 rupees. It's written as 65 rupees in stationery column. Now we are coming to Jan 20, by bus fare rupees 10 rupees, it is related to conveyance. Now we are coming to Jan 22, by fax 30 rupees, it is related to telegram. Then written has telegram 30 rupees. Now we can go to Jan 25, by telegram 35 rupees, it is also related telegram column. Now we are coming Jan 27, by postage 200 rupees, it is clearly defined, it is related to postage column 200 rupees. We can now Jan 29, repairs, Jan 30, landlordry, and Jan 31st, miscellaneous expenses. These three expenses are related to miscellaneous expenses. Directly we can written as miscellaneous column as 105, 115 plus 110. Now all transactions are completed. We can find out closing balance. Now coming to last one, that is Jan 31st, by balance carried on, it is 935 rupees. Amount column in total amount column is 1065 rupees. We are payable, it is expenditure. This amount is deduct from 2000, it is equal to 935. Then this closing amount is transferred to next month, that is 935 is Feb 1 to balance brought down. Then remaining all transactions are calculated, but we don't need to balance brought down or balance carried on. Now it is postage all expenditure for this month 260 rupees. Now telegram all expenditure is related to 105 rupees. Then coming to conveyance, it is all amount related to 185 rupees. Then coming to stationery, it is 65 rupees. Then coming to miscellaneous expenses, it is 450. Then actual cash received is this for month 2000 rupees. Now remaining balance is available in petty cash, that is 935 rupees. This amount is transferred to cash book or cash account. This problem is completed. This method is simply to learn or simply to identify problems. Petty cash book. Check once all transactions, how to post where, which side or which place items. Now come to cash is 2000. Thank you for watching this class. If you are like this video, please subscribe for more videos and share with your friends.